Starts now. Yes, and one person can introduce.
So first of all, good morning. Uh, we are here to talk on one topic like does the God exist or not. So we are in the favor like the God doesn't exist, and they are in the favor like the God exists. So here we see like what's happening. So like we have so many cases in which the all the peoples uh, are like praised, and after this they meet an accident. So which type of God here?
Okay. May I ask a question from you?
Yes, you can.
Okay, are you wearing something in your hand? May I know what are these type of things are you wearing?
Like they all are Rakis.
Okay, they all are Rockies only.
Yes.
Okay, maybe you have some symbols in your Rockies also. So could you please describe the meaning of these symbols?
Like one ball, one or like two, three balls are here and nothing else.
Okay, so what does this Rocky do?
Like they all of you like believe.
Believe for what?
Believe like my sister believe that by wearing this, uh, my security.
This belief means nothing. This belief explains the creation of God, existence of God, nothing at all.
Like which type in this which type of God existence?
Okay, like your sister believes that if she ties a Rakhi in your hand, God will protect you from any evil spirits or any bad type of incidents or things. So these type of things says that you believe in God.
Like which type of like when my sister tied this Rakhi, after few minutes
Okay.
there was one Diya who fell on me. So which type of security does my sister give me, and which type of, in this where is God?
Then why do you celebrate Rakhi?
I am not celebrating.
Just to have a love with their sister and us.
And what is the meaning of God?
Like who protect you and serve you all the things as we
Who gives you the courage to fight with any kind of trouble exist in the world?
our parents.
The parents are in the form of God only.
Like how can you say that the parents are the form of?
Okay, do you know about Valmiki?
Yes, little
Who
bit.
is he?
Like just little bit. Like he used to help Mahadev, and after this.
Do you know the history of Valmiki?
No, sorry.
Maybe he was a very big boon or something like that, and suddenly he felt a change inside him, and that change nothing means the existence of God. And after doing a lot of type of bad activities, he was a very big boon in his area, particular at that time. But after feeling the appearance or the existence of God, he changed himself, and now at a time he is a very big creator of a holy book called Ramayana.
Not.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Okay.
You have heard about World War II? You have heard about the World War II?
World War II. I know, but I don't know like which type of countries were
Yeah,
involved in this.
I'm not going too much deep.
Okay.
In Germany, there was Hitler.
Okay.
He have concentration camps there, where he puts all the Jewish people and use the deadly gases to kill them.
Okay.
And millions of people die at that time.
Okay.
So where was God at that time? When millions of people are dying, not a single or double, when millions of people are dying, where would be God?
What is the duty of God?
Like these things you know better than us, because we can't believe in God, because in some ways God, like as you said, like gods are here and they protect us. So which type of, I don't know which type of protection he gave us. Like there are so many cases, and we have like also like auspicious time like Shubh Muhurat, as our parents and all like priests were saying. But after some time the thing will happen.
God is like a confidence exists inside us. God is like a belief inside us. God is like a courage inside us. Just God tells that I am with you, but you have to fight for your own.
So then, what is God?
It is a belief. It is a courage. It is an internal existence of the God.
Like which
So
type
you
of
are saying it is only exists in our mind.
In our heart, in our every single part of the world.
this is like like only thinking you are talking about.
Okay.
It is not a thinking. It is like it is your body, and you cannot see your soul. But it does not mean that there is no soul, because when the soul leaves the body, then there is no meaning of the body.
Like you wearing this mala. So after wearing this, which type of benefits you have?
I feel more confident when
Only
I
by wearing this.
yeah
So it is up to your belief, na?
yeah this is my belief.
So this thing can't be like that God is exist because it's all up to belief. You also said like 2-3 times this is only belief, and you are saying like my, so this is only like for fashion. They are not like good.
Are you
Good.
wearing something?
Yes, the same thing.
The same thing.
Yes.
So why do you wear
Only just fashion. I already said.
fashion?
Yes.
Is it a kind of fashion?
I think because I see so many people who wear this type of thing.
You know, it is not a kind of a fashion.
Look, no, this
It is a
thing.
God. It is a type of God that you are wearing right now on your neck.
No, this is not God. If there is God, so by wearing this, I never hesitate and I never feel fear.
It's up to you only.
So why in all this where is God?
Okay, so what is the duty of God?
Suppose the boy is wearing a Rudraksh mala.
Yes.
Now he has a positive energy inside him due to that mala only.
So why I don't have?
Because you are wearing this mala in the form of fashion only. But he is wearing this mala in the form of God.
You are
Who
you.
God? Which God?
It is like a spirit. It is
I
like a
want to
positive
be which
energy.
God? God
It depends upon the person that which type of God he wants to follow. Some follows Christianity, some follows Hinduism, some follows Jainism, Buddhism and all. It's on up to your belief only.
So, in our holy books, there is written that there is Krishna, there is Ram, but who is the God? If we
They all are the messengers of God. They all are like God because they did the great things in their own time. And these type of things motivates our youth to do good things instead of doing bad things.
So by this we can't say like the God is exist
Okay.
also.
Do you know
so
about
by this you can say that Mahatma Gandhi is a God.
Yes,
he
he
is a type
also.
of God. If any person who is doing great things in his time, that means he is the passenger of God. He is the messenger of God. God nothing but inspires us to do good things instead of doing bad things. This is the only existence of God.
So doesn't God doesn't send a messenger when the people are dying in the hallucination
But-
camp?
Actually, the God has said us, and you can see in Mahabharata, and when the Sri Krishna said to Arjuna that it is your duty to do something. If you are not doing something, then I will not support you. It is your duty.
I have guns and you are without guns. Can you beat me?
It was my duty that I should not believe on you, and I should have my armory with myself.
You are living in your home.
Yeah.
I just attack on you and take you to gas chamber. Then how you can save yourself? I have weapons. You are just at your home.
I have also seen many news about when Pakistan attacked on India in 1965. Then there was a temple, Karnot temple, in which Pakistan bombed 1,000 bombs in that temple, and not a single bomb was exploded. Then what happened? Can you explain it?
Like sometimes the bomb will diffuse by himself, and also like if you are talking about like bombs, so there are also so many bombs which was fitted in Mumbai and Delhi, and you also heard the news. So on that time, where is God? And in so many hotels and every place you can see there is one photo of like every God. So on that time, where is God?
Do you have any fear when you are going to do any bad thing?
Simply I can't go in bed like
Suppose, do you have any fear that if you are going to do any bad thing?
no.
No, that is the difference between the people who follows God and all. Because the people who follows the path of God, he has a fear inside it that if I am going to do any bad thing, then God will punish me.
And what about the gurus that thug people?
We are discussing about God. We are not discussing about.
They are really fraud.
It is
They are also
it
really
is
fraud,
also
but
their
they are.
It's up to his own choice that what he wants to follow and what he will be doing in the future. But if you are a true messenger of God, if you are a true messenger of God, then you have a fear inside yourself that if I am going to do any bad thing in future, then the God is here to punish me.
Like
And
I,
this type of fear helps us to protect the society from the bad people or bad.
So how many people you have to protect here?
How many people I have protected right now? I have protected lot of poor people from the world because I have a belief that if I am doing any good thing, then God will give me the gift in the future.
Okay, so God will give you a gift.
I am here to helping the people. That doesn't matter that God will help me or God will give me any gift or not. But I am doing the good things for the poor people of society with the name of God only.
What is the relationship between us and God?
It's like a father and a son. It's like a mother and a son.
Father
It's
and
like a
son.
connection between the love of the elder one to the junior one or to the younger one.
So you have elder ones?
I have elder ones, I have younger ones.
Yes, you have elder ones.
Okay.
So if you are doing something bad,
Okay.
your mother will stop you or not?
Definitely she will do.
So why Hitler and many terrorists do bad things and the people and God doesn't stop them? They kill people. After them, God still doesn't stop them. Even you say the trust in God. The most terrorists are being conditioned by the name of God.
He doesn't know the true meaning of God.
Where is written what is true meaning of God?
Okay.
Where it is written?
Listen, I have an incident that I have heard, something related to the war of Pakistan and India, in which Pakistani terrorists killed innocent Indian people. At that time, Indian soldiers said Jai Bajrangbali, and he saved lot of poor people, so lot of innocent citizens to that bad terrorists from that. Okay, so this is the best example of the existence of God. That with the help of the name of a God, He protect too many peoples from these type of bad guys.
like we have so many slogans to like Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. So by this, by saying this line, the soldier also saved so many people. So this thing can't attach with like God.
What does Vande Mataram mean?
Like Vande Mataram means we just have to hail our country. Yes, or like Mataram we used to attach the thing like our India is same as our mother.
Okay, same as our mother.
Yes.
So is it a good thing that comparing our country with mother?
Like on which time? Like on battle time.
Yeah.
On battle time we
No,
it's
on
like
every time. Is it a good thing to compare our country with a mother?
yes.
Why? Because you have a belief that India is like our mother only. So the same way, we have a belief that the God is there and we have a fear inside us if we are going to do any bad thing with anyone, that the God is here to punish us. So the same way we have a belief that if I am going to do any good thing, the God is here to give me my reward.
Like we are saying the same. God is in your mind, not in the reality.
Yes, and we also see like firstly, and then you can like I also see so many people. They said like now the God is like is not with me, so I just used to sacrifice one animal, and after this he will happy with me. So by this by doing this type of thing, by killing the innocent animals, the God will happy with us.
These type of things is followed by some type of peoples only.
Not like
If we are talking about our Indian peoples, most of us
Why
are not
Indian?
eating any non-veg item because we know that the God is here to punish us if we are going to kill any innocent
Why
animal.
we are only thinking about asking about the Indians? It is all over the world. After India there is no one.
They are doing bad things, but we are doing our good things in the form of God only.
Not like the God is only existing in India. There is
Okay.
not like other place where the God doesn't exist.
Both of you hasn't any belief related to God, right?
Yeah.
Suppose you are a good guy and he is a bad guy.
Yes.
If he will do any bad thing in the future,